Alright, what's up? It's your boy Logan back at it with another video today. And today I actually have my rear diffuser came in today. So that's what we're going to do today is put it in. I actually have it installed and everything. I'll show you guys that in here in a bit. But if you don't know what a rear diffuser is, it's pretty much like shark fins kind of. But they go underneath your rear bumper here. So I'm going to show you where I put that and everything. And I'm actually going to show you my rear diffuser now. I went through and I used some like Gorilla Glue stuff over it, like all the threads and stuff, so they don't come undone, because I want to make sure they do not come undone. But you won't be able to see all the Gorilla Glue and shit once it's actually on. So I'll show you my diffuser right here, right now. Here's my diffuser right here. I'm going to be putting that on underneath here. So I'm actually going to show you where. So underneath, right, you'll see right there where that black part is. We're gonna go underneath there, and it'll come up like down here, and you'll be able to see it and stuff. So we'll do that. Still have to get my exhaust piped all the way back, but because she is right there. So, but yeah. So that's the rear diffuser right there, and I'll set you guys up so you can see me putting it in. All right, so I just got done putting the diffuser on. I had to make sure everything was lined up good and everything, but honestly, dude, I do really like it. So yeah, I mean, it's all good, and I think it gives it a little bit better, you know, more aggressiveness, I should say. I do really like it. I love it, actually. And I mean, yeah, let me show you that real quick. Don't know if you can see. There you go. You can see it right there on the bottom there. Just gives it a little bit more aggressiveness, I guess. There we go. It's a heck of a lot better right there. What I did was, it came with some self-tap screws. So what I did was I took some self-tap screws and I just put them in the holes in between each gap there. And I put them up in there, and right where that black spot was, I went and I just drilled them up through there. That way they had something to hold on to instead of just this. So yeah, it's honestly, I think it gives it a... All right, sorry that last video cut off. This is actually the next day. I just want to say what I was saying was it gives it more aggressiveness, and before the video cut off, that's what I was saying. And yeah, so that was the video for today. If you like it, please go down, like, subscribe, leave a comment if you want. Let me know what you liked, what you didn't like about the video, so I can improve on that. But yeah, that's the video for today. Just remember, you know, always stay humble, and just have a blessed day, baby. We out.